Hello, I'm here at 28 Harvey Street on Russell Island. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom property for sale. Great location. It's about a 5-minute drive to the ferry terminal and 500 metres walk to the bowls club. So the property is partly fenced, the backyard. The NBN is connected. It's a steel frame home. The block size is 559 square metres. Does have a carport, rainwater tank, security screens. So stepping inside, very spacious feeling living area with ceiling fans, inset screens on all the windows. Dining area. And kitchen. So the kitchen has pantry, sink, electric stove with space for the fridge. Okay, so coming through here, storage cupboard, and down the hall have more storage like a broom cupboard. So we have the laundry, which leads out to the washing line, separate toilet, and bathroom. So bathroom does have a separate bathtub, and spacious shower here. Okay, I'll show you the 3 bedrooms. So they all have built-in robes. The first one. Built-in robe and ceiling fan, smoke alarm. This is the biggest room with ceiling fan and built-in robe. And 3rd bedroom. Also has built-in robe. Let's take a look outside. So there is gas hot water. And the washing line is here. And the backyard is fenced. And we have a garden shed. And this is the septic system here, which is a Aquanova. So thank you for joining me on this video walkthrough of 28 Harvey Street. This would make a suitable investment property or a first home. It's an excellent location, close to the bowls club, close to the ferry terminal, 3 bedrooms, it's spacious, no maintenance needed, no work needed, steel frame home. Yeah, so if you're interested and you'd like more information or to arrange a viewing, please contact me. My name is Kat from T. Barclay Real Estate here on Russell Island. Look forward to hearing from you.